Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel.
Today we're talking about Torx. Damn Torx. I hear it often because they get ruined. They come loose. They're more trouble than good. But why don't they? Good old Allen keys. Well, did I explain it to you? There's a reason. It's something done randomly. And today, since I'm switching to new tools, we're changing a really simple insert. And we're doing it with the Torx. Nothing special. As always, if you like my content, I remind you that you can support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Subscribing to support my channel for €1 a month for a ton of free information. It's nothing more than a nice little treat. And like I said,
now obviously happy to subscribe, or you can do your shopping for free on Amazon using the link in the description.
By the way, if you're not subscribed to mine yet and want to do so, there's a link below. Vented is giving me a €1.50 voucher if you want to sign up, so it doesn't cost you anything to sign up. Just do it via the winter link.
Let's talk about docks again.
Let's talk about Torx again.
This time, not from my, so to speak, technical office, but from my lair, where I also have my new CNC lathe that is giving me satisfaction. And it's precisely for it that I've equipped myself with new inserts and new tools.
So I hope you can see it well. Maybe I'll bring it closer.
Torx key. The Torx key is a key that many commonly call a star key because it has tips that shape a star, like curry otter. Well, the key is a good grip, and it's true that it's a bit more delicate, but the fact that tools often come with this tab tells you one thing. Unlike Allen keys, which you all use, those like this, tightening 2.5 screws like hell, which you either can't unscrew anymore or you end up ruining the head anyway. With the Torx key, you work simply with the force of the tab. So no matter how much force you apply when closing, with a Torx made in this way, you can apply force with a 1.5 lever. Obviously, I've seen people close it, then go and grab the pliers and pull it up. This is absolutely not good. The Torx key is used in this very simple way. You unscrew it, insert the insert, and point it. Obviously, if you're on board a machine, a little blow on the insert seat never hurts. And then, this is the maximum force you should apply to the insert. You don't need to push like crazy, it serves no purpose, everything is calibrated. The lathe closes. When it reaches the point, let's say, of closing with your thumb, you've already applied all the force needed for the key. Got it? Having said that, I have a piece of advice for beginners. Set up a small workshop in the garage, like I did maybe without the CMCs. A small parallel like that, and a sensitive drill will suffice to make some pieces. It will give you some manual skills. You might not learn a job with it, but you'll learn how to do things around the house, and you'll start to have, let's say, on-dual skills with tools. Pick like a carrot kit, put on the wax, remove the wax, put on the wax, remove the wax. When I see guys who take the keys like this and tighten them, I see them in this, you take the key here, then you do the manual skills. I mean, I like the like this, then the last tightening like this. So apply the wax, remove the wax, just like you hold a hammer, just like you hold pliers, just like you hold them. A simple Allen key can make all the difference in the first week of work when they judge you and decide whether You confirm your contract or in those 6 months when you are precarious in the way you treat
The equipment in the workshop can make all the difference. If every like to you go and ask for Torx because you have listened it, the boss will be very happy.
So the manual skills that you put into what you do are also very, very important.
So a little arrow if you have a space. If not, unfortunately, I don't know that not everyone has a space like mine, but if you can, do it.
Or accept any job, even if it is poorly paid, just for a short period in order to practice, because that is what can make all the difference when you go to look for a real job. So maybe you are young people during the summer break.
Hey,
Okay, thank you guys.
I was almost talking about the talks and I got a bit long-winded. I hope I was helpful to someone with these little tips on reading.
See you next time.
Bye, guys.